Well, hello, my guests, and welcome to Disney's Grand Floridian Resort. So first off, when you turn to your left, you got your bathroom. This bathroom is a little different. You got 2 sinks.
Wait, a bathtub,
Enough for when mom wants her own personal space.
2 sinks, a very large mirror, a desk area, or a vanity area, sorry. Not a desk.
And you got a sitting area. She forgets everything. And then some trash.
Brandon.
People like bringing snacks in. Got some coffee storage. And down here, a fridge.
A cooler.
Wow. A fridge.
Very nice drawers.
By the way, guys, this is your normal, regular 2-bedroom room.
2 bedrooms.
It's not a suite.
It's not a 2 bedroom.
And by the way, if you
2 bed.
If you didn't notice by now, it's Dylan Fontella's birthday.
Happy birthday, Dylan.
Yeah, I guess. You have your own personal guide right here.
This turns into a bed, so it fits 5.
Yeah. A lot of storage here for all 4 people of your family.
Mary Poppins theme. Very nice chandelier. And let's look at, what building are we in again?
Sago K.
Sago K.
So we're Coco K.
Sago K. We're right next to the main building. And we have a resort view. So we see a little bit of the lagoon. And Brandon. That's the main building right there to our right. The arcade is right there. Yep.
Also, if you stay in the Sago K area or one of those buildings next to it, you're close to the transportation to the Magic Kingdom. So that is it for this room tour of your 2-bed Grand Floridian room.
Resort view room.
See you guys on our next Disney video or Universal. Later, taters.